Right, so welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's doing alright. Shirley popped out for some milk, now she's stuck.
So I'm just going through Baslow. I'm in Derbyshire Dales now. I've just taken cameras on, as you can see. Pulled over to Co-op car park. I'm heading to a place called the I can't remember what it's called now. Devonshire Arms. They've got a campsite there, so I'm expecting field to be like this, covered in snow. But I've got my ground sheet and everything with me for a good old winter camp. So yeah, you joined us today on the first winter camp of the year. Picked a good one in Midlet Peak District when it's been snowing really bad. Whee. So I've set off today. I've just stuck to motorway, M18, M1, come off at Chesterfield, and I'm just currently on Baslow Road now, which is the A623, which will take me straight to the Devonshire Arms. Purposely picked this route because I knew that it being a main A road, it's going to be clear of snow and that, and it's going to be gritted, so if it does snow tonight, at least it won't be too bad for going home tomorrow. So you're probably thinking that we're daft. We possibly are. I know Donna said, "Are you sure you want to do it?" And I was like, "Yeah, I want to do it. I booked it. It cost me 17 quid. I'm not losing me 17 quid. It's an adventure though, isn't it?" So yeah, I'm meeting Ray. I don't know if Ray's going to be there or if he's going to be turning up a bit later on, but we'll get there and we'll get set up. So anyway, how are we all keeping? Have you been enjoying the short videos that I've been putting on it new of Albert, the new dog? I hope so. Got about five layers of clothing on, so I should be alright. Later on I've got some snap with me. I'm making me send some dinner a bit later on. I've got some sarnies and all. It's a bit of a test run this today for camping, because I brought my little one-man tent, which is a bit bigger than a bivvy. I didn't want something too big, not like my 4-man tent like I took last time. But yeah, it's just a bit of a test run to see. So I've got a few new bits and pieces, so I just wanted to test them out. And what a better place to do it than the Derbyshire Dales. So I've got the other camera. The XL is on back, as you can see, facing backwards. I just thought I'd use both cameras today. But road's been a bit shitty like this. I'm probably going to have to keep wiping camera if I can get to it. When I get there, I'm going to take some pictures and send them to Donna, because she'll be absolutely gutted, because she loves the snow. I know they've had it quite bad out here for the last couple of days, but I think it's due to snow tomorrow, then turn into rain, so it's just going to turn to slush. Still have to take it steady though. good that they've cleared the car park, innit?
Yeah. Ready? It's just lumps in the snow, isn't it? You okay? Here you go.
Right, Ray. See you later. Right, so that's the first winter camp done and dusted. All packed up. Just said me goodbyes to Ray. I'll see him in April for Tuxford camp. But for now, let's just enjoy the journey home. Yeah, I tell you what, friggin' knackered. Trying to get out of that bleeding car park.